Yeah, F that. Where's my husband? Jace! Jason! I don't want to get that close. Jace! Don't park that close. It's going to explode. Get back. Yeah, let's go away from here. That's insane. Unlock the door. Yeah, get back away from it. Go.
It's already done what it's gonna do.
It's not. He said that somebody said that it's got a half a tank of gas in it.
Why aren't they trying to put it out?
I don't know.
That woman over there was crying her eyes out. Oh, my shit's burning up.
I can't even believe that. That's crazy.